Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to screen record in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to control center. And if you don't have any option of screen recording, then simply press and hold on blank space. And then you can see the option add a control. Now click on add a control. After that, here you see the option screen recording. Click on screen recording. Now you can see screen recording will be added in your control center. Then simply click on blank space. And then if you want to record your screen, then simply swipe down to control center and press this screen recording button, and your screen recording will be started. And if you want to stop your screen recording, and then you swipe down to control center, and here you can stop your screen recording. The another way to stop your screen recording is simply click on this red dot, and here you can stop your screen recording. So this is the way to record screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.